सब्सक्राइब कीजिए टेक सपोर्ट चैनल को और बेल आइकन को दबाइए टेक्नोलॉजी वीडियोस सबसे पहले देखने के लिए।
Still using the old-fashioned way to measure sizes and distances? Measuring by yourself is always difficult. You get all sweaty. It's hard to know how to do it right. Either way, it can be a waste of time and effort. Feeling frustrated and bothered? Now you have a better measuring choice, the iPin Spatial Ruler. Run the iPin Spatial Ruler app. Plug the iPin Spatial Ruler into the iPhone headphone jack. Then you can easily measure spatial dimensions. Of course, you can save the measuring results and also instantly share them. It makes the discussions between you and your designers or even your mates easier. Never again worry about picking the wrong size of furniture. Snap the furniture you like and get its size with the iPin Spatial Ruler app. You'll know if it fits your home right away. You can edit the same places in different times and spaces, which saves you time. Make furnishing easy and with no more mistakes. Create lovely and comfortable living spaces on your own. No matter if you're a designer, a housing agency, security, a materials e-catalog maker, a curator or a builder, an AR app developer, or a family member. The iPin Spatial Ruler is the best assistant.
Put it in your pocket, just walk around with it, sing, just be free, just walk wherever you want, and you can have your effects with you instead of like a dude backlining.
Control how long the effect is. Cool!
People think I'm just moving around and acting silly on stage, but in actuality I'm using my emotions to control my vocal effects.
You get to play with it and it's immediately more natural.
Singing. We all do it, whether it's in the shower or on a big stage. It's one of the greatest things to do. And believe us when we say we have something that will take it to the next level. There are many professional singers using sound effects on top of their voice. But why are more singers doing so? Well, because effect controllers are often packed with sliders, knobs and switches. Add complex software into the mix and it instantly becomes hard to understand. A singer needs to be free and expressive. They need to have an instrument that follows their movement, not the other way around. And that's why we created the Wiggle Kit. An instrument that lets you add effects to your voice by simply twisting and moving it around. This is not a revolutionary idea. This is a natural next step for singers and vocalists. It's an intuitive instrument that does not interrupt your workflow and will become an unmissable part of your singing. Either on stage, in the studio, or practicing at home. So how does it work? The Wiggle automatically connects to its app. In the app, you select a style or genre, so you can get started straight away. Sing into the built-in mic of your phone or tablet, or use it with an external one. Hold the Wiggle in your hand, or attach it to your microphone. Twist and turn the Wiggle, and you'll hear the effects straight away. Explore the ready-to-use effects in the app or link it to your favorite studio software. Over the last years, we've been developing the Wiggle Kit with a small but very dedicated team in the Netherlands. You might know us from our previous Kickstarter campaign 2 years ago. Our project was successfully funded and got picked up by many great artists, including some of the biggest live acts in the world. With the amazing support and feedback of musicians and singers, we now proudly present the Wiggle Kit, a product designed and tested by artists for artists. It's compact, intuitive, and can be trusted on stage, even the big ones. But most of all, it's a product that will take singing to the next level.
Introducing the Nils cable. Nils is the first ever wearable cable bracelet that doesn't sacrifice aesthetics for functionality. Nils is a charging cable that you can actually wear on your wrist. You no longer have to find your cable in your pocket or bag. The Nils cable works just like a normal cable, but it just looks cooler. Take it off your wrist and plug it into your device to charge it. Now it's easier than ever to charge your phone anytime, anywhere. It's a must-have cable for your everyday carry. Get one for yourself and your loved ones. The Nils cable comes in so many colors and styles, it's easy to match with any outfit. Just one thing. Don't forget your Nils cable when you leave home. Please support us now on Kickstarter.
Who needs ports? You do. But computer manufacturers have failed you again and again. Instead, you buy these. What about external storage? Or extra battery? Why is this not as sleek as this? Now it can be. Introducing the Dongle Slayer. Just kidding, we don't want to say dongle any more than you do, so we called it Line Dock. You're welcome. Just drop your dongles. Get Line Dock today.